How to fix Gmail app notification not showing. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and if any day you're facing problem that the Gmail app notification is not showing, just follow the following steps. For this, at first you have to find the very Gmail app on your device. When you find it, you have to tap on Gmail. After you tap on it, now you have to go to the I like option. After tapping on the I like option, now it will take you to an interface like this. Here what you have to do is you have to go to the option of notification and tap on the option of enabling the notification by enabling sound and vibration. Then you can go to the option of storage. After tapping on storage, if you see the cache, you have to go to the option of clear the cache and then go back again. Then go to the option of app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, now it will take you to Google Play Store. If you see the option of update, you have to update your very application, and after you tap on update, your very problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.